TikTok videos can now be 10 minutes. The maximum time for TikTok videos has increased. Users can now upload videos up to 10 minutes long. The maximum video length on TikTok has increased, again, this time to 10 minutes, the social media platform has confirmed. This change, which is rolling out globally over the next few weeks, follows months of testing. At launch, TikTok videos were limited to 15 seconds. TikTok later increased the maximum video length time to 60 seconds, then tripled that to 3 minutes last July. TikTok says, "We're always thinking about new ways to bring value to our community and enrich the TikTok experience." Last year, we introduced longer videos, giving our community more time to create and be entertained on TikTok. Today, we're excited to start rolling out the ability to upload videos that are up to 10 minutes, which we hope would unleash even more creative possibilities for our creators around the world. Now, why we care. Short-form content can be limiting when you're promoting a brand, product or service. It's all especially limiting in terms of monetization. This change offers an opportunity to keep viewers engaged longer on the platform without having to watch multiple parts of a video series. TikTok is already the third most popular social network, behind Facebook and Instagram, and continues to see its user base grow. Now let us know what you think about this in comment.